Sanibonani Dumelani Option Hi, welcome to Dimithi itiye lishabheka ngafuni ukuthi uliphuze ujahile kodwa ngifuna ukuthi uphuze uhleli phansi. So MT was so bravely in love, not madly in love, because I mean this is brave, considering the fact ukuthi baningi abantu who have done tattoos of each other and they broke up after doing those tattoos, but MT was like, you know what, and easy. So they both have matching tattoos, enye ibhale ukuthi hustle, enye ibhale ukuthi Nandi. One thing about it, Itazula Nandi, it's better because hustle is like you can tell people with Yazini, I'm all about the hustle, hustle type of vibe, hustling gang, the vibes, Obviously, as a musician, you get to a point whereby you are hustling to get your name out there. So, she can still, have that tattoo, but with MT, imagine just so nendoda yakho ine tattoo ebhale Nandi. Leso sikhathi wena ulerato. Are you going to allow that? No, you're not going to allow that. I don't think there's anyone ongayivuma leyo nto, because the minute you see ithathu yenye intombazana, yo, you just go crazy. But let's hope this time is for real. But as you know, that girl, I think she's still young. Angimazi ukuthi unangaki, but I think she's still young. Judging by how she looks, she's still young. She still needs to explore. She still has a lot of growing to do. But anyway, because even reason. No, Chichilamine. Their relationship was questionable. We thought, oh, let's give them 2 years, let's give them 1 year, but they've been pushing, and maybe now MT is gonna be our new power couple. Because what you mean? Plus, they've been collaborating, doing songs together. So yeah, it seemed like business, but now we can see that the pleasure is taking on another level. Clearly, MT has moved on, really. Makasafaka namathathu abhale Nandi. Ever since MT has started dating this girl, he has been looking after himself. Like, he looks good. So I just hope this relationship continues to become the best. And I can see a lot of change in MT, even how he speaks, even how he behaves. You can tell that he's no longer stressed, Not that the other relationship was stressing him, but right now he seems to be having a good head ahead of his shoulders. Like, he seems to be better than how he used to present himself. So yeah, we are all about the good things,